Dami.
Hindi kalapati. Arot na yung
but also for those now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. So once again, there's a lot of words to show us the proper ways to dispose of.
May mga maliliit.
So guys,
Kala ko na ito sa akin.
galing eh, no? Nauwi sila doon. Doon pala bahay nila dito.
Doon pala ang bahay nila.
see, there are others can do it. So today's Scout and we hope you all enjoy our show. Our birds spectacular.
Jake, natapon na basura.
Well, in our own way,
Natapon na basura yung parot.
let's take action soon now.
Parang tabaw sa Jake eh, no? Parang tabaw din.
Please get all of our part in the world. Because remember, this is the only home we have got. Now let me present the personal trainers that make the show possible. Trainer Bear with Buddy. Trainer Bird with Fancy. Trainer Mikey with Rocky. Trainer Mark with Shadow. Trainer Dion and Trainer Sean with the Chickens. Trainer Johnny with the Home Pigeons. And again, I'm Trainer April.
Hindi,
And
malilim.
goodbye.
Ikakantok yung araw eh.
Bye guys. Please remember to see because we still have a sea lion show. And please do not cross the
Ay, sila yun.
Ano yan?
Sila yun daw. Sila yun eh. Kasunod, mamaya na natin patuloy na yan.
Careful, please. Almost there. Careful. Steady and one tap. Number 5, Brad. Okay, test on. Would you love to see a dance number from our Zillion Brad? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see that dance? Well, music, maestro. Let's move it. All right, hold your hands up, everybody. Come on. Now, so that's the side by side.
galing.
So, para sa mga please, which is required a correct.
Ano si Rich?
So this time, we need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Once again, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Just raise your hands, and I'm going to hear what you say. An adult with 500 peso bill. Okay, taking that one. Sir, please join our stage. You will notice the person that show are mostly us. It is because they are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and usually kind. They have good memory and can remember even the smallest details.
Sana naging bird na lang.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the Ocean Park. Sir, what is your name? The brothers are Jackson. Sir, can I have your money? Sir, all you have to do is stand right here. Please this way and extend your left arm like this. As I put your money in your face. Sir, do you have an idea what will happen next? Well, let's see. Let's start our first body. Body is also our to look at attitudes. So I think it may have a two-hour sense. This birthday body is a little shot. Body flies over. And he gets the money and flies back. And I think body will donate the money. Around us to our honor. Sir, you know, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Well, your money will go along with our graduate. Thank you so much. You may not take a seat and enjoy the rest of the show. How about 1,000 pesos this time? Hang on. No more. Sir. Your jacket is Sir, are you okay? You sure? You look so sad. We're just saying this is part of the show. Please come back here. Up here. She is the cutest. Good. Oh, be shy girl. Pretty Ira. You get to your bird. Say hello.
Halo ka, Jay.
Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why we're called fish or better with marine mammals? Any idea that they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their brown beavers, which are shaped like a bird's wing, feelers. That term beavers may also be translated as wing footed, since their beavers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to fly underwater as they swim from place to place, right ladies? And did you know, we are often mistaken as seals because they look very much alike, but some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact they have bigger front flippers. And they also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's all my demonstration. How about our one boxer, Silai Brand? And guys, you know what? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? Another one boxer, Silai Brand. As you can see, their body is covered with a big coat of short hair and their whiskers. How the lion sense of touch. They contain their fibers, which make them sensitive. Wow, they smile. Hey! They also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from rain or water. They have small sternal ears, give them a sense of beauty, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight, but no color vision. In the wet, they have its water close to shores, love rapids with tide and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent flying abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out. Pretty strong rocky beavers. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Ira, the cutest. Sea lions can generally cruise around 11 miles per hour using the rolling movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders for steering.
Wow, layo. Pinakamalapit na ba ito? Ay, nakakatuwa naman.
Wow, what a beautiful entrance! Good day, everyone, and welcome to Manila. By the way, I'm Trainer Becky, and I'm going to meet my friends together with their trainers one at a time. On your left side is the eldest female color and lion that you have here. And according to her trainer, she is the prettiest. Wow!